Hi there. Bad audio because this is just a random second channel video of me experimenting with something here. So this is an HP 5245L electronic counter that I picked up yesterday. And I want to turn it on because those are Nixies and it should be glorious. But I want to make sure I do it properly. And this is the first true full linear device that I'm going to be turning on, at least for a while here. And it makes sense for me to finally join the Variac club for this thing, because we can essentially reform all of the capacitors in place using this on a device like this, because this is not a switching power supply or regulated system like that. It should be 100% viable to just use this. So we're going to try that today. I've never tried this. The only thing I've done is today I flicked the switch, make sure it didn't blow up, and it did not. So I think we're going to continue. So I think that's it. I'm going to have to look up how to turn this thing on. And by look up, I mean just look at the front panel here after I plug it in, and we'll see how this goes. I'm more than a little nervous because this thing is gorgeous. There should be a blinking plate here, I will mention. It doesn't have to be there. There could be modules for more functionality, but of course this one doesn't have it. Okay. That is there. This is all the way down. Power on is... This is power off, and then that's the sampling rate. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on. It, in theory, has power. I'm going to turn it up to 10 volts. Again, it's my first time ever doing Variac stuff, so if I'm doing stuff that's weird, give me some slack. I'm going to turn this on. Okay, now this sets the sample rate, which should be the window of how long that it is looking at frequencies for, I believe. So I don't know how long I should do this for. I'm not seeing any current being pulled on the integrated ammeter yet. Watch, there's something else wrong. I did look at the fuse on the back. It looked okay. I mean, if it's not pulling any current, then it's not reforming anything. So I'm going to keep slowly going. We're at 40 volts. $50. Still no power. You know what? Let's dial this back. I'm going to shut this off, turn this off. Let's get a baseline here really quick. So this is a solder fume extractor here. It has a fan built into it, but it's a 120 volt fan. So I should be able to plug this in to here and see probably the speed of the fan change. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I am correct. That's still basically pulling no power over there. That should be a 23 watt fan. It's definitely spinning now. Okay, so the Variac is working. The ammeter on it may not be. Although 23 watts isn't exactly a ton. And that should be 1 to 1. Okay. So that's all working correctly. I guess the air comes out of that. Oh, it comes out weird. I never noticed that. It's got like vents to push the air up, I guess. Okay. I was like, why don't I feel anything? Thought maybe it was... You can't have reverse polarity on AC, but I was just like, that was weird. Okay, I'm gonna turn this down. Alright. Well, then maybe I was on the right path here. I guess we will continue. Feel happier having done a sanity check here, though. Alright. swapping back over. Turning it on, I think. Don't really know. Okay, that's 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I suspect I'm going too fast for this, so I will say that. 40, but I don't like that I'm not seeing any change. Let me see if there is a wattage rating on the back, because I feel like this probably draws enough power that it'll be noticeable. So 2 amps at 115, so that'd be 200 watts. Yeah, that should show up. Also 2 amps would definitely show up on the gauge. That's rated for 5. Okay. Yeah, I don't see anything back here that indicates anything. The line frequency voltage selector is set to 115. We're at 40. Take it up to 45. 50. Watch, this has a switching power supply or something in it because it was HP and they were crazy advanced. 55. There is a fan in this. Let me try something here really quick. I'm going to turn this off. Just want to poke the fan, see if it spins freely. Not really. It may spin, but it's not great. All right. Oh! I did see something pop there. Or, well, not like pop. Yeah, gate. Okay. So it's trying. That is a Nixie attempting to light. Yeah, we can see some in there coming up. Okay. Ooh, all right. We are at 55. I'm gonna bring it up to 60. Oh, baby. Oh, okay. We're at 60. There's a comma. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna go 65. Oh, it's glorious. Look at it. It works. Oh my gosh. That's a little fuzzy, but it may just be because it's not getting a high enough voltage. Oh my gosh, that thing is drop dead gorgeous. Okay. 70. Oh, they're looking good now. Oh, I think the logic is becoming happier. Okay, okay. Oh man, fan's still not spinning. Okay, 75 here. Still not showing up on the ammeter. All right, those might be bright enough that I can have the lights back on now. Go up to 80. Still not showing up in the ammeter. But I have a feeling it's like actually doing stuff now. Sensitivity. So I would like to get it down to a, there we go, a lower range where it's doing something. So that's good. Oh my gosh. So these are the rear mount Nixies. And you can see the depth change so much on them. Oh my gosh. Okay. 85. All right, starting to see a indicator there. There's one there. I do have the top for this, by the way. It was covered. I just figured I'd leave it off so that I can see if things are going horrendously. So far, this is looking absolutely fantastic. All right, 90 here. Oh, wow. All right, 95. I want want to say those front numbers are starting to come into focus. I hope there's nothing detrimental about running this. The fan is trying to go in the background now. It's starting to move. I think the bearings need to be lubricated. All right, 100 volts. I will mention this thing is technically rated for 115. I will eventually just be giving it full current 120. It will be fine. All right, 105. Okay, it might be, so I'm looking at that. There's multiple segments that seem to be getting lit there, so it could be flickering between them, which is why they're fuzzy. Hopefully they're not shorted or anything. I don't think I want to leave it on that one, so we'll stay here for now, because that seems to pulse with some good regularity. All right, 110. Oh, that's just going to straight up count up. That's actually way better. Yeah, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we can... Yeah, there we go. Oh, it's a counter. Duh. I had it in my head it was a frequency counter. Like, or is this just... I'm not even 100% sure what this is now. Okay. Wait a minute. Signal input. I'm gonna have to read more about this. I forgot that that's what this is. Oh, it's totally rock solid though. Okay, 115. That is full voltage now. Oh yeah, this thing it's rock solid. Dude. Oh man. Alright, 120. Although this is probably proportional. It's not like it's going to amplify it up to 130, I don't think. The legend does say 130. That would feel weird. I mean, it could, in theory, actually do that. Ah! The fan finally got the bearings to spin around enough that it's worked itself free now. Oh, this is fantastic. And yeah, those digits all look fantastic as well. Oh man, I'm so excited. Oh, that rocks. Yeah, that's totally working. Okay, well, I hope that was helpful for anyone else who wants to use a Variac for something like this. Just a nice... simple little bring-up demonstration here. I was pretty sure this was the right way to do this. It looks like it was. So yeah, hopefully that was helpful. And I'll see you guys next time. Because I have to. Let's try full wall voltage now. That's a sound. And the memory had random data. Oh, come on, bearings. Okay. Yep, the fan needs some help. I'm gonna slowly ramp up the fan one more time here. Yeah, definitely is gonna need some lubrication. See. Yeah, I don't want it to damage the bearings. All right, well, good to know. This wasn't meant to be a restoration video, or I would have set up a better microphone, but it's just so easy to get to this motor for the bearings, so, you know, might as well, while I'm here. That seemed much healthier. I don't know how to describe this. There is a smell that old electronics have. This has it, and it's glorious. It's fantastic. Oh man, I'm loving this thing. I'm gonna try fresh 120 volt power on. Way better. Okay, now the bearings are not putting shear force on them, or the fan blade is not, so this is not the most accurate test, but that's still much better. Okay, let me put it back down and we'll see how it operates when it is flat. Nope. So those bearings might have flat spotted. That's unfortunate, because that is a very unique fan. I haven't been paying attention to the random numbers as it starts up, but lucky sevens! I literally only know that from my kids' video games where they give you like a slot machine. What is wrong with us? Alright. Full power restart. I think that might do it. I was putting the lubricant in a different way so that it would drip back into a different area. I was trying to drip from the top before, but that didn't seem to be working. If the handle's extended to the back as well for the other cables, I would try and put it on its back to do that, but that would be really difficult. But I think it's solid. Awesome. Okay, now is the real ending. Bye.